Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to learn how to set up an optimized thread on Android phone. Go to your Google Play Store and search for Thread. Download Thread. If your Instagram account is not updated, update your Instagram account as well. Then open your Instagram account. Tap on the menu and then open it. You will see Thread. Open the thread. Here you go. Next is for you to sign up with your Instagram account. Yep, sign up with your Instagram account. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Set up your account by importing your Instagram profile to Thread. This is optimization and it will help your SEO as well. So next is to follow accounts that you are already following on Instagram and then click on join threads. So here you are, now you are on Threads. You can also follow people. People can follow you as well. These are the people that you're already following on Instagram. Instagram actually is connected to your thread, as you can see, because you logged in with your Instagram account. So you can search for other users on Thread. Other users can search for you too. If you know anybody who is on Thread, just search for their name and then you find them on Threads. Next is to engage with people's posts on Thread. You can like, you can share, you can comment. Yep. And then what else again can you do? Of course, you can also post on your own account. So guys, tell us what you think about this new app. We would love to hear your opinion about this. I also have my opinion concerning this. Maybe they still have some other inputs that they will add to it by upgrading it. So next is how you can share your personalized thread link to other social media platform. So here I have copied mine and I want to share it on someone's WhatsApp contact by inviting the person to come follow me on Thread. So I copy and I paste and then I share with the person to come connect with me on Thread. So here is my opinion. The hashtags on Thread are not active. They are not working like it is on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. Yeah, so it's not happening here. Perhaps Mark Zuckerberg will work on that. So guys, what do you think? Like this page, this channel, and see you in our next video.